Hey everybody, Bradley Sutton from Helium10 here, and today I want to talk to you guys about the Chrome extension Xray from Helium10 and how you can use this to really narrow down your results in your Amazon product research. So if you notice here, I just did a search of natural hunger suppressant. So these are the results from that search, and I'm going to hit the Chrome extension Xray right here. And until now, you guys probably have done this a million times. You've gotten these results. It shows you everything on page one. But maybe there's some things on here that you don't really want to be looking at. How does that work? Well, first of all, if you ever see a SP, that means it's a sponsored ad. So maybe in your mind, I know this is what I do when I do my product research. I think, you know what? I really just want to see what are the organic results. I don't want to see sponsored results. So what I can do here is I mouse over here on the left-hand column and it turns into a trash can. And I'm going to take away those two results. Now, if you notice, nothing up here changed. All of the averages is based on the organic results, which is what we want. But at the same time, I just don't want to be looking at those sponsored ads right now. So I'm going to look here. Is there any more sponsored ads? Here's a couple more. I'm going to take them all off. All right, so now I have all of the organic results on this page and all of the reviews, et cetera, et cetera. So I'm looking here and I want to make sure nothing is throwing off the averages. Maybe there's something I don't want on here. I'm just going to look briefly at these products. Genius Diet Pills, 2 reviews. However, they're selling 2,000 units a month. So right away, I know something is going on in here. Most likely, this just was the victim of one of those review purges, because there is no way a product that has this kind of BSR and is selling this many units has only 2 reviews. So I don't want my average reviews to be taken into consideration, this 2 reviews. So I'm going to take this off. Now watch carefully what happens here at the top once I delete this. Boom, it changed all of these numbers on here. So when you delete an organic result, it changes all of your averages and the total revenue and everything. So it gives you a little bit more accurate snapshot of what you're really looking for. On the flip side, I'm going to keep looking at this. Maybe there's something that's really throwing off the averages. If you look here, you see 200 reviews, 6 reviews, 1 review, 282 reviews, and then all of a sudden, 11,000 reviews. So I'm going to look at this product, mouse over here. Garcinia, Cambodia. You know what? I don't think that this is really an accurate representation of the average reviews on the first page of 1,000 just because of this really crazy number of reviews. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this. I mean, this guy's not even at the top of page 1. So he's just really throwing off my results. So I'm going to click delete here. Now watch what happens up top at the average reviews. Whoa, huge change. So just by deleting that outlier, it now put the average reviews at 194. Well, what are some other reasons why you might want to take off some results? Well, you know, if you're doing private label, you want to make sure you're basing your numbers off of other private label sellers. So I'm just going to look here and boom, here, Lipazine. Now, I know Lipazine, that's in Walmarts and Walgreens, and they're on infomercials. They are not a private label brand. So I don't really want to consider them in my averages because they don't do what I do. So I'm going to go ahead and delete them too. And again, we changed the numbers. So there you guys go with Xray. You're not just stuck with the results you get after you click on it. You can take away the sponsored results. You can also take away numbers and products that you think are throwing off what the real true average is of the results. So make sure to do that whenever you're doing your searches, and you're going to get even more accurate information to get to exactly the information that you want. See you guys in the next video.